Hello team and family, this is Subtracting Integer Word Problems video number 3. At 11,560 feet above sea level, Climax, Colorado is the highest town in the United States. The lowest town is Calipatria, California at 185 feet below sea level. Express both of these distances as integers and tell which is closer to sea level. How much closer to sea level is the town that is closer? So, some things I need to write down first. I need to write down that above is a positive integer. And below means it's a negative integer. I've got two locations. I have Climax, and if I draw a number line here, this should help. I have Climax, which is 11,560 feet above sea level, and then I've got Calipatria, which is 185 feet below sea level. So I'm going to put it below. I'm going to write Calipatria and put negative 185. So I've done that. Express both of these distances as integers. So I express Climax as 11,560 and Calipatria as negative 185. So I did that first part. Which is closer to sea level? So sea level, I'm going to write over here, sea level equals 0. So which number is closer to 0, or which one has a smaller absolute value? Negative 185, the absolute value of negative 185 is 185, and the absolute value of 11,560 is equal to 11,560. So the one that has the smaller absolute value is closer to 0, so it's 185. So that would be Calipatria is closer to sea level. The last question, how much closer to sea level is the town that is closer? So I want to know how much closer is it, so I can take 11,560 and subtract 185. And the reason why I'm just going to subtract it and not subtract negative 185 is because I know that I just want to find the difference between the two. I don't want to find the distance between negative 185 and 11,560. I want to figure out how much closer is it. So it's 185 units away, and then Climax is 11,560 units away. So all I need to do is subtract these two, 11,560 minus 100. Oops. Let me fix that. I'm actually going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to take this part over here and erase it. So I've got 11,560 minus 185 to figure out how much closer is it. So 0 minus 5, you can't take away 5 from 0, so I have to borrow from the next place value. 6 becomes a 5, 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 8, 5 is too small, so I'm going to borrow from the next place value. The 5 becomes a 4, and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3, and then if there are two zeros here, I would just bring down the ones. So 11,375. So how much closer to sea level is the town that is closer? It's 11,375, and maybe I should even add in there feet closer.